Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Leia Pilien, 29 years old. I have one child, married. I graduate Bachelor of Science, Elementary Education.
Good day to you, Miss Leia. How are you?
In God's grace, I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude and characteristic of domestic helper must be honest, hardworking, patient, responsible, and be humble.
Okay, so since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I avoid homesickness by keeping myself busy at work, Sir, Madam.
So can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
In proper way of taking care of children, Sir, Madam, it must give food and vitamins on time, take a bath every day, tutoring them, playing with them, and love with them as my own child.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake to your employer? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I promise to do not do it again.
Okay, so Miss Leia, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, I please do hire me because I really need this job for my family and for the future of my children. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Leia, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam, and God bless.